What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today it's like first day of, I don't know, until my birthday, I guess, of the journey getting a BMW M3. I'm gonna show you like today me looking for one, which one I want and everything. And yeah, let's get started. Right now I'm on the computer. Shit. Anything I look at, I'll just pop up on the screen and see what I'm showing. And yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Don't mind that shit thing. I just need to clean my camera. But yeah, sorry if it's the whole video or whatever. And yeah, let's get back to it. So this is my day. I know I got a haircut and everything. So we're about to go through the cars I've been looking at. I'll have them here. I'm screen recording and everything. You'll be seeing what I'm seeing. So we're looking at M3s and M4s. By the way, still selected filters for some reason. Don't know. Oh well. Right now we're looking at 2017 M4 with 95 motors and 4 base. I don't know. That shit looks too old. I like the other body style. It looks way better. And it's manual too. It was manual. Not one owner. That's not really a deal breaker for me. I really don't care. Alloy wheels, memory foam seats, god damn. But the 1-star got, dang, window ring, that's terrible. I don't even know. Wait, let me see this shit. Yeah, just recording. Back up. Base M4. This is the one I sound like. Looks way fucking cleaner, more aggressive and everything. This one has a carbon everywhere. Already has an exhaust. Gets some Valtronic. I'm trying to see what kind of wheels they look. I think they're Workmeisters. I don't think so. But it's only 35 for 74. Not bad. Automatic 6-cylinder, one owner. That's why I really like about this one. Save that one. Alloy wheels. Memory seats. This fucking so long. Call me fucking right on. Just nice. 70,000 miles, 36, 500 DCT. Comes with the screen. The competition wheels. That got me there. Yeah, right there. Yep. Seats. But if I couldn't fucking score to save my fucking life, I just need to zoom out. But who knows? Just incredible. touchscreen as well, backup camera, maps, navigation. It was manual. It said manual, but then shit showed DCT. Yeah, it's DCT. What are you talking about, man? It's DCT. But whatever, I guess. Bluetooth on, no accents, personal use only, so I don't mind. This red one caught my eye, I believe, 37,000, 70,000 miles. And that's easy to get drop competition wheels. I'm using a fucking center cap. I gotta say shit like that. Oh, when y'all go to the dealership, to get a car, look at the fucking door fees, because that shit, some shit can just get taken off. Like, some shit's unnecessary. Like, you don't even need it. That's why your shit be racking up. Like, it's no fucking point. Oh, and drop in the comments once I get the info. What should I do to it? Like, what mods and everything. Just let me know. M4 or M3. Whatever. Don't really matter. Yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, that was it for that one. So I have another one. M3 list. Make sure to go follow them on Instagram at M3 list. Pretty sure everyone knows it. It's in like the BMW community what M3 list is. But if you don't, yeah, link will be in the description. So for over here, I was looking for 70,000 or less. Thank you. 60,000. And I don't mind traveling to go get shit. Just make a vlog out of it at that point. Like, I've never been to Cali, so set speed, clean Carfax, clean title, leather seats. But then I realized he was looking for one, so that's kind of tough. Like, didn't even notice it. My dumb ass. It's 77,000 miles. Probably also amazing. This one had a rebuilt title, but I like the red seats so much. That shit was, oof. Well, it's called Secure Orange. Red seats don't look good. And Washington's not that fucking far. But it did need a lot of work, so I'm like, oh. The brake needs to be tightened. Cracking on the bottom of the windshield. Passenger will stop working. Like, scuffing front bumper. I guess. Or floats your fucking loop. Utah 34.5 black inside out DCT. Already had a yellow DRLs. Everything's pretty much blacked out already. Didn't really have too much said though. Rebuilt title, don't really care. And it was open to offer, so like that could be negotiated down, to be honest. It already has the LCI tail lights, tuned already. Long springs already down pipes. Apple CarPlay. It says some scratches here or there, whatever that means. see it's been posted for a while, so I know I can get some of that down. It's still up there. It's not fucking terrible at all. Who knows? But yeah, that's really it. Ain't gonna lie. I gotta get back to fucking work. So I'll see y'all after. Maybe. Don't really know. Don't really care. But we'll see. Yeah. Alright, yeah. That was it. It's been like a couple days, I ain't gonna lie. That was it for that video. I'll fill y'all in on what else I do, or let me know what y'all want to see on this journey. I mean, getting an M3 or M4 by my birthday. Who knows, it might even change. It might be something else. But most likely I'll stay the same because I'm trying to work my way up, not just jump. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Drop in the comments what you want to see. Pretty sure I already said that, but whatever. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see y'all for another one. See you on day 2.